Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about HAX, what it is, how to set it up, and how it works. So the first thing is, what is it? HAX it stands for Headless Authoring Experience. A headless system means that the front end is separated from the back end in a site. So instead of having the content of your website integrated with some type of output like web page rendering, it provides the content of the site as actual data over an API. And this is important because it allows for the integration of web components into pretty much any site. And really quickly, if we just inspect the home page here of the site that I created, um, last week was all about web components and what they are. And here we can see that the site is compiled of a ton of web components. If we just close this here, we can see all the web components here that make up the site. And this is something that I think is really unique and really cool that HAX uses and is built on. So that's HAX, but what about HAX CMS? If we go over here, HAX CMS is an extension of HAX, but as a content management system, and it functions through the use of JSON. So when you create a site through HAX, a JSON file is installed, which establishes the relationships between the pages. And if we look at the sidebar here, and the hierarchy between all these, this is all thanks to the JSON file. And once this is initialized, HAX works as the editor to change these files. And in the end, the CMS part makes it easy to publish them and make it a functioning site that you can use. Really quickly, some of the things I like and don't like about HAX. I think it's really easy to use compared to some other CMSs I've used. It's really easy to see to add different things into the website, like embed videos or anything like that. But in order to know how to do that, you have to become familiar with the website or familiar with how to use it. And that's one of the things that I struggled with at the beginning, and learning how to set those things up, how to format them the way you want. But that just comes with time. It's really not a big deal. But overall, I really do enjoy using HAX and creating a site through it. So yeah, it was kind of hard to think of anything that was terribly wrong with it. So yeah, overall, I really like using it. And the last thing I want to talk about is OpenAPI. And as it says here, OpenAPI is open source format for documenting APIs. And Swagger and OpenAPI work together, and basically the relationship between the two is that Swagger is the tools needed for implementing OpenAPI, and OpenAPI is the actual specification. Um, and this is something that HAX uses to actually deliver itself when using the website. And really quickly, last thing, if we just go to hax.psu.edu, this is what we're going to see. Here's the website that you already saw. And if I wanted to make a new one, I could just click New Site, and we could just say Test. And if we go to that site here, this is what you're going to see. So to edit any text, you just click on the Edit button on the side there, and it's really easy to, if I wanted to do this, and then if I wanted to change the format of the text, all I have to do is just click this, and of course it doesn't want to work with me now. Oh, there we go. And I could change it to any header or bulleted list, number list, anything like that. And if I wanted to add anything I was talking about earlier, like embed any videos or anything, it's all under the Add Content section here. And yeah, you can pretty much set it up however you want. It's really easy to add anything like that, and that's one of the things that I really like about using HAX over other CMSs. But yeah, it's just a a little bit of an intro to what HAX and HAX CMS is. And yeah, thanks for watching.